Police investigating suspected case of drowning of 83-year-old man. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Investigators attached to the St. Thomas Police Division are probing the circumstances that led to the suspected drowning of an elderly man at Grandpa Falls, Trinityville in the parish on Wednesday, December 25th. Dead is 83-year-old Dalford McDuffus of Colilla, Trinityville, St. Thomas. Reports are that at around 1:30 p.m., McDuffus was swimming in the river when he encountered difficulties. He was assisted to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The police have launched an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.